Every journey begins with a single step. And in the world of crypto, that first step is signing up. Whether you're new to trading or ready to explore new opportunities, Coinlocally makes it simple to get started. In just a few moments, you'll unlock global markets and powerful tools. Let's begin your journey together. Click on the register at the bottom of the page. Enter your email and then click the Next button. Enter the verification code sent to your email. After email verification, you need to create a password for your account. Your account has been successfully created.